Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in this video, you guys, I'm testing out a new product I found on Amazon, and it looks similar to a certain product, which I will show you. So if you're curious what the product is, well, let me just show you what it is, you guys. So on Amazon, I found this right here. Does this look like something? Does it look like a product you've seen before? It kind of reminds me of a product. I don't know. Maybe this thing right here. Does this look familiar, right? So I saw this on Amazon and I'm like, that looks a lot like the Blendiful. Does it work like the Blendiful? I have no idea. So found it on Amazon, so I had to order it because, first of all, it was a heck of a lot cheaper than the Blendiful. And no shade to that because this is like heaven sent, you guys. If you haven't tried the Blendiful, nothing but good things about it. You can tell it's very well loved, right? So I love the Blendiful. Capital Love, love the Blendiful. But this is, looks very similar. Very similar, all right? So we're going to test this out, you guys. And the color, I'm kind of living for. You guys know how much I love the color pink. So I think it comes in like different colors, if I'm not mistaken. I think. I have to look. I have to check back. But we're going to test this out. All right, so the price, you guys, I can't remember. I'll put it on the screen somewhere, floating, popping somewhere, all right? So you can see what the price is. Or I might just put it down in the description box below, depending on how I edit this video. Let's test this out, you guys. All right, the Blendiful, you guys, which is this, all right, the gray color one, and it also has the words on it, Tati Beauty. It works amazing. I've used it countless time. I use it all the time. You guys can see all that foundation, concealer, makeup, yada, 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 is all on there because I use it every time, all right? Now, we're going to test this out. So I have absolutely no face makeup on. All I have is eye makeup, eyebrow, and a little bit of concealer, all right? This makeup look right here is my mask makeup COVID edition. I've already recorded that video and have yet to edit it. I just did it right now. But all right, let's get started. I feel like that was quite a long intro. So today I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation to test out that product. But first, primer. For primer, I'll be using the Dominique Cosmetics and JD Wadey collaboration. And this is a nice hydrating primer. You guys, if hydration is what you seek, I have come with answers right here, you guys. It feels so nice. And normally with primers, I feel like they feel very silicone-y. This is a primer, you guys, and it feels super hydrating. Like it feels like a nice moisturizing lotion almost, right? It feels so good to the skin. I really love how it makes my skin feel, you guys. Super hydrating, and honestly, I am obsessed. So obviously I'm kind of being careful around where I put the primer on because I have the eye makeup on. Alright, so blend that all in, down my neck. Alright, so now let's dive into the foundation, you guys. Taking the foundation, I'm just gonna blot the foundation all over my face. And I know I said there's like concealer underneath my eyes, but you know, that's okay. So I got my foundation on, and now we're going to test out the product. So, first of all, it is, squishy. It feels more dense than I guess I'll call this the original, because to me it is. So, the pink one feels a little bit more dense, but still kind of like soft and squishy. And it is bendable and moldable, but this one feels even more extra movable, bendable, and more like it just feels more flexible. This one, you can bend it and fold it, but really not as easily. It feels a little bit more stiff. All right, let's try this out. honestly, the product is really not that bad. Does it feel like the Blendiful? No, it doesn't. All right, it does not feel like the Blendiful, but I mean, it blended out my foundation really nicely, and it does feel a little bit stiff. All right, but not like in a bad way. I just can tell using the pink product and using this, there's definitely a different feeling. You can tell this is a little bit more stiffer. But, I mean, I'm not mad about it. If anything, I'll probably use this as like a puff. Right? But the foundation looks really good. I am quite surprised. Now, I will say, it took like quite a while to get to me. I mean, I do have Amazon Prime, but I don't think this is a Prime product. So it took a little bit of time. The question is, how long did it exactly take? I think it took like about 2 weeks, which really in like regular normal shipping time, it's not that bad at all. So, but you guys, the foundation looks really nice. Do you guys see that? I hope you do, because I am actually really, really pleasantly surprised. Okay, so the foundation looks good. Let's put on some concealer. For the concealer, I'll be using the Bare Minerals concealer. Very, very good concealer. And for the concealer, I'll be using the little mini pink heart. And we're comparing it to the other little mini heart, except it's not pink. It's the Tati Beauty one. Now, feeling it, strangely, I feel like the Tati Beauty one feels a little bit more dense than the pink one. This one feels more flexible. It's like they switched it. They did the opposite. Interesting. So, let's put on the concealer, you guys. And, alright, so for concealer, I've learned that, I guess I was going to say the right way, but put makeup on however you want to. But like a newer technique, I guess you can say, is to put some right here. Alright. And then put some right here. That is the better way, I guess. The newer way. I've watched a couple of beauty gurus do it, and well, it looks good on them, so I'm gonna try it. Now, let's try the little mini pink one. Whoa, you guys. That feels super soft on my skin. It feels really nice. I am honestly low-key or really high-key obsessed. It feels, wow. Look at that, you guys. Did that not blend out like a dream? You guys, this pink little heart puff thingamabobber, or whatever you want to call it, that looks amazing, you guys. Maybe it's just because I haven't been wearing makeup in a long time, so any makeup I slap on my face just looks really good, but I'm loving it. Look how great that looks. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. You guys, these two pink puffy products from Amazon, a must-have. I'm not gonna lie, a must-have. Now, don't get me wrong. I love my Tati Beauty Blendiful. I mean, love. I put it on a pedestal. I love it, alright? I use it all the time. But if we're just talking about these products alone by itself and just not really comparing it to anything, just talking about it by itself, yes, I do highly recommend it. You guys, that looks good, you guys. That looks real good. Wow. I am pleasantly surprised at the results. My skin looks beautiful. Alright, let me put on the rest of my face makeup and come right back. Alright, you guys, my makeup is complete and this is the final look. You guys, my final conclusion to this pink puff that I found on Amazon. If you want to try it out, I do highly recommend it. It's pretty amazing. I am so glad I got it. Now, would I say it's like the exact, like, you know, replica of the Tati Blendiful? No, it's not. It's actually very different. So the only, like, I guess, you know, similarities to it is that it has that little band to it, right? But then again, there's other puffs out there that have the band, so it's not like, you know, revolutionary or just like a new thing. It's, you know, it's been out there in the market, so I guess really that's nothing new. It's just that seeing the pictures like this on Amazon, I'm like, it just instantly reminded me of the Blendiful, so I had to do like a comparison. But really, it's not comparable because it's just completely different, but it doesn't even matter because it works really well. You guys saw me using the foundation and the concealer, you guys, and it looks just really nice and seamless and flawless. I really love how my skin turned out. The foundation just laid on nicely, and that's with the primer and everything. I did the whole face, you guys. You guys, I do recommend this. The price, I can't remember, but like I said, I'll be putting it down in the description box down below or somewhere on the screen. But yeah, that is my conclusion, you guys. Packaging looks cute, pink, heart shape. The wear and how it performed, you guys saw on camera how it performed, and it looks amazing, you guys. Yeah, I am loving it. So, and recommendation, do I recommend it? I do recommend it, you guys. If you're looking for an exact, you know, replica of this product right here, then you might be a little bit disappointed, but just take this out of your mind, and if you want to get this and just think about this on its own, it's a great product, you guys. I do recommend it. So, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and me trying out different products. If you guys are interested in different videos where I try out different products, different replica products, different products from Amazon or whatever you call it, well, subscribe to my channel, join the Kwak fam, and click on that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. And yeah, that's it, you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click that like button and comment down below any other videos or products you want me to try out. Follow me on my social media, all that good jazz. Links are down below. And that is the end, you guys. If you guys stuck with me till the end, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.